Vietnamese, welcome to French Country Love. For today's video, you will see the cabinets, the tiling, the restoration of the plumbing, and here and there, okay? Well, let's start. As I always said, God blessings, a lot of kisses, take care, see you next week, enjoy the weekend. And remember to subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, like, share, and comment. Aviento, guys. I put it together the lower cabinets, and this is the color, and look the detail of it. Guys, this is my little kitchen. You can see the utensils and the spices and all that for make breakfast or dinner. In the morning time they put the range back, but you can see I have this. Well guys, I'm cleaning this part of the range. It's very dirty of food. It is, and it's not. I expect more, but I cleaned it like last year. But it's well, it is what it is. But this side is already clean. I have work to do because look at this, guys. All the wood that he have to cut, the laminate floor. Oh yeah, and it's spreading in all the house. But yeah, this Lazy Susan, I was one big for the pots and pans, but I don't know now. I prefer to put them in the pantry and put here the food, the canned food, the spices and all that. Yeah, because we don't buy a lot of processed food. But yeah, I think this is good for that. What do you think, guys? This is the situation of today. guys, as you can see, the cabinets are on. Everything is in place. And this part over here too. The next step is place electrical thing over here, and in the stove too, the extractor, the tiles, the sink, and that's it. Well guys, this is the state of the kitchen, and here's the sink and the faucet. It's July 23 and my house looks like this. Well guys, all the tiles are done. Here you can see, completely done.